Imagine waking up one morning and opening your eyes. You realize the unthinkable has happened. All the ocean water on Earth has disappeared. No more deep blue ocean. No more murmuring waves. No more cold wet sand under your feet. Places that were once submerged in water are now barren lands, revealing countless secrets buried at the bottom of the sea for millions of years. But what would happen to this planet if the ocean water dried up completely? How would life change? Would humans survive? In this video, Mysterious Universe will take you to a bizarre and terrifying prospect: Earth without oceans. As soon as the seas disappear, one of the planet's largest natural air conditioning systems disappears. The seas and oceans play a vital role in regulating global temperatures. They absorb more than 90% of the excess heat from the greenhouse effect and help balance the climate between regions. Without the oceans, temperatures on the continents would fluctuate more wildly than ever, as hot as the Sahara during the day, as cold as Antarctica at night. The monsoons disappear. Ocean currents, such as the Gulf Stream, which carries heat from the tropics to Europe, will stop altogether. This will cause warm regions like England, France, Germany, to become cold and dry like Siberia. Rainfall will also decrease dramatically worldwide. Without water vapor rising from the sea, clouds will gradually disappear, leading to severe drought in the growing regions. Plants will not have enough water. The soil will crack, and agriculture will collapse. The Earth will become a dry, hot, chaotic planet. The seas contain more than 90% of the planet's biomass. Millions of species live in the ocean, from tiny plankton to giant whales. And when the water disappears, entire marine ecosystems are wiped out almost instantly. Coral reefs die first. Without water, without diffuse light, they turn into barren white skeletons. Fish, squid, shrimp, plankton, none can survive without habitat. And when the plankton disappear, the food chain collapses from the bottom up. But the impact doesn't stop underwater. On land, fish-eating species like seabirds, polar bears, and otters will lose their food sources. They will die off, or wander into human settlements to feed, leading to human-wildlife conflicts. Even terrestrial ecosystems will be severely affected, because when the ocean is gone, the carbon cycle, which depends on marine life absorbing carbon dioxide, will be disrupted, making the climate even more extreme. Humans cannot live without water. When the seas dry up, the consequence is a serious depletion of fresh water resources. Many people think that the drying of the seas will not affect fresh water. But in fact, the opposite is true. Water vapor from the sea is the factor that creates rain, snow, and maintains underground water. Without the ocean, the entire natural hydrological cycle is paralyzed. Rivers gradually dry up, lakes shrink, or completely evaporate under the scorching sun. Areas that were once rice granaries, such as the Mekong Delta, the Nile Valley, or the Mekong Delta of the United States, become dead lands. Food and water crises are happening globally. Billions of people are migrating due to drought. Water wars are constantly breaking out between countries. Coastal cities, where billions of people live, will no longer function, becoming ghost towns in the middle of the dry ocean. In addition, major economic sectors such as fishing, sea tourism, maritime transport will also completely collapse. Millions of people will lose their jobs, their homes, and everything. But amid the devastation, something strange happened. As the water receded, the ocean floor was revealed, and things that humans had never seen before now lay right beneath their feet. Small diamond ancient cities buried deep in the Ice Age, like Atlantis, Dwarka, or the mysterious structures off the coast of Japan, were now visible. Small diamond, the Mariana Trench, 1,000-meter deep where light never penetrated, was now laid bare, revealing creatures once thought to exist only in legend. Submarines, missing planes like MH370 or ancient expeditions can also be found intact. Small diamond rare mineral deposits, giant crude oil veins under the ocean floor, now within reach. But, is that really an opportunity? Or a final warning? Because when humans discover everything, they also realize It is the existence of the sea that helps us survive. If one day, the ocean really dries up, it will not only be an ecological disaster, but also the end of human civilization. We cannot survive without water. But more importantly, we cannot survive if we forget to appreciate nature. Humans used to believe that they were the center of the universe. But when the ocean disappears, we realize we are just a small part of a vast, harmonious and incredibly fragile ecosystem. Instead of waiting until the ocean dries up to understand, let's act today, because every drop of water, every marine creature, every wave is whispering to us one thing: as long as there is ocean, there is life. If you find this video meaningful, please like, subscribe to Mysterious Universe and share to spread this message. Because sometimes, a fictional question can change the way we see the real world.